Hey everybody, Chili from the Crypto Nerds, and I wasn't going to make a video this week because we shut off our profit trailer, profit feeder bot, specifically for this right here. We were following the market and we anticipated a pretty significant drop, and we just wanted to shut the bot off and just there was no reason to have the bot on. So this area right in here we were expecting. And yesterday at 1 o'clock in the morning, we were expecting a recovery. Not this great of a recovery. That's almost parabolic, which is fantastic. So I turned on the bot yesterday at 1 o'clock, and we're now here at 1 o'clock. About 36 hours later, then the bot's just been crushing it. So I did want to make a video now that we shut the bot off, so there was no stats for anything in between this for about 3 days, and then we turned it back on 36 hours later and 111 trades. Now, this is going back to when we were doing gunbot type stuff. This is the volume of trades we are expecting. You can also see that we have very few DCA during this time. Specifically with Profit Trailer, usually when it makes a lot of trades, the DCA log just gets slammed up. But our strategy is still working really well. It's digging us out of these, and it's keeping us buying and trading, which is pretty awesome. Now, the market has a ton to do with this. And you can see just yesterday, off a very small account, we had less than 0.2 before we turned this bot back on. We're well over that 2 now. But just yesterday, that's pretty good, I think, for what kind of purse that we're working from. We can see today even pretty decent, and we're halfway through the day, and we've made about 16 bucks, although that doesn't matter. We're seeing the profit on that. So let's go over to our personalized stats. And we can see where we shut the bot off, and the bot was off, and it was just basically staying idle. And the reason why this is going up and down is because we hold BNB for the trading, and BNB goes up and down. But here you can see the bot went back on, and a little dip, well, actually a pretty decent dip there, but then back up, dip, but turning the bot back on from here to here in 36-hour period, this is the best I've seen the Profit Trailer bot do with our settings. So I'm actually quite impressed with that. And here you can see the trades. Now, when I was looking at this, you're going to see a red one and go, hey, Chili, look at that big 9%. But if you come over here and look at what our stats are saying happened, it says that we bought OMG. It says we bought 1.11, and then we sold 4.75. So, and I'm not understanding the difference, because if we come over to our sales log over here, ooh, just made another sale. While we were making this video, I made $1.19, so that's pretty interesting. So if we go over here to OMG, you can see it showed it as a profit, and it did a 4.7 sell buy. So I'm not sure what we got wrong with our stats, but we're going to go in there and take a look. For some reason, it didn't get the full buy amount. So, and then it showed a funky thing, but if you go down this, there's nothing but wins, nothing but wins, nothing but wins. This is a really good one. I mean, that happened in a very short period of time, too. Look at this. An 11, almost 12% gain off of the QTOM, and we held that for a little over 1 minute. Look at this. 1 minute trade, nearly 12%. Now, I'm assuming that our bot jumped into a pump and dump, or something was going on, because I've never seen anything like that. So that's quite interesting. Unfortunately, as a bot trader, you're usually caught on the other end of that. So it's interesting to see how that happened. Yeah, just wins all the way down the board as far as I scroll. We had one small minor loss. I think that was a long hold too. So, and the fact that it was that's almost negligible. We can almost call that just lost our fees. So the pot's doing fantastic. And if we go back to the number of times we've profited compared to the number of times we've lost, as you can see, I mean, these are starting to get pretty big. 41 to 4, 16 to 1, 46 to 3. So that's just a quick update on how our Profit Trailer Profit Feeder bot's going. If you guys follow any of the other YouTubers that do this stuff, you know that there is a new Profit Trailer coming out. I haven't even looked at it. I haven't even really watched any of the videos about it. So we'll see. I'm not big on doing types of reviews. I just wanted you guys to follow along with what we're doing, just so you can make educated buying decisions on your own. Figure out if this is something that you want to be invested in. I'm still not sure how I feel about bot trading. It's great right now, but you saw the chart. The market's really hot right now. So I'm unsure how I feel about it, because there's times where we've had this bot run and it's made $1 or $2 in a day and then took on all kind of bags. So the jury is still out with me. I think these bots are really dumb. And Clicks and I have talked about this personally, of how dumb these bots are. They don't really think. So it got us thinking. And maybe we'll talk about that in another video. So until next time, happy mining, happy trading.